Welcome. How to install XAMPP and set up a local server easily. Follow these simple steps to get started. Visit the official XAMPP website and download the latest version for Windows, Mac OS, or Linux. Go to Google and type XAMPP download. Click on XAMPP official website. You can also download XAMPP for Windows, XAMPP for Linux, and XAMPP for Mac OS. We will download XAMPP for Windows. Click Download Latest Version. When the download is complete, open the folder. Right-click on the installer file and click Open. You might need to grant administrative permissions to proceed. Follow the on-screen instructions. Click on Next. And choose the components you want to install. By default, Apache, MySQL, PHP, and PHP-MyAdmin are selected, which are essential for most development projects. Click on Next. Select the directory where you want to install XAMPP. The default location is usually fine, but you can choose a different directory if preferred. Click Next to continue. Again, click on Next. Ready to install, and click on the Next. Now, wait for installation. XAMPP installation is complete. Now, click on Finish button. Then go to the search bar and type XAMPP. Click on Open. A small window appears on the screen. We need to start Apache and MySQL. First, click Start Apache and check the public network box and allow access. Second, the MySQL is starting and click Allow Access. Now, go to the browser and type 127.0.0.1, then click Enter. Now, you will be shown the XAMPP page. You have successfully installed XAMPP on this system. Now, you can use XAMPP localhost. If we stop Apache and MySQL, and we refresh this page, we can see, I can't access this page. If we start Apache and MySQL, we can easily access this page. We have successfully installed XAMPP. Start developing your web projects locally. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more tutorials and tech tips.